Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the color filters accessibility settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Accessibility button at the left side of the screen to show the accessibility settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Color Filters button to the right to show the color filters settings at the right side of the Settings app window. The Color Filter Preview setting shows a preview of a color wheel, photo, and color grid. As you make changes to the color filter settings, the changes appear here in the preview. To turn color filters on or off in Windows 11, click the Color Filters Setting Buttons toggle switch to set it to either the on or off position. To set the color filter to apply if enabled, select the desired option button in the expanded section of the Color Filters Setting button. To enable or disable the keyboard shortcut of the Windows logo key plus Control plus C to turn color filters on and off in Windows 11, click the keyboard shortcut for Color Filters Setting Buttons toggle switch to the on or off position as desired. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.